Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make your profile picture invisible on Discord. It's pretty easy, so yeah, let's get started. Yeah, what you want to do is you want to open up Google and you want to go to this link and you want to save this image. Well, you can actually see the image because it's fully black, but you just want to right click on this and click on save image as, and you want to go to save it somewhere on your PC you want. I'm just gonna save it to my desktop real quick and just click on save. And you have now downloaded the invisible profile image. You want to go back to Discord and open up the settings at the bottom and click on where it says my account and then on edit, click on edit and click on your change avatar. This will open up this, and you just want to go to the folder you have saved your image in. I'm just gonna click the folder and then click on open. As you can see, it's just black. You can really see anything, but that's the whole point. So you just want to click on apply, and it looks blue right now, but when you save it, it will look like it is invisible. And as you can see, it's gone now. And if you go back here, you can't see the profile picture either, right there. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.